Hey guys, Chef Jason, your Ace Hardware grilling expert. Today, hanging out in the barbecue pit studio, we're about to rock out some amazing hot and fast grilled fillets on the Big Green Egg. We're gonna hit it with a little bit of B&B chips today because chips are gonna give us that awesome smoke finish, right? We're gonna use those to kind of finish it off today. We're going hot and fast, which means it's gonna be quick and easy. Simple ingredients today. We're gonna track temps with that Big Green Egg thermometer. Don't forget, if you're new to the channel, be sure to click that I. That means this recipe is shoppable. So you can click that, head into the wonderful world of gear, gadgets, and grills. All right, before we dig into prep, let's head out, get that Big Green Egg started, and then it is fillet time. All right, we're gonna go ahead and get this started up because the steak cooking temperature today is gonna be a little bit higher. So we're gonna get this up into that 550 degree range. So we'll build a nice solid ember pile here. And then once we get the top and bottom adjusted, we'll hold it right at that 550, add the grill grate in. And I'll tell you what, we're gonna rock those Wagyu fillets today. So because we're cooking at a higher temperature today, we're gonna leave this bottom open all the way because we really want a lot of that air to come in through the bottom. Let's hop up here to the top. Let me show you what we've got. We're gonna use the top to adjust it up and down, but I've got it almost all the way open now because I'm trying to sustain that beautiful 550 degree heat. We're gonna start off with two absolutely beautiful Wagyu fillets today. So we let these defrost. We've got them all set, made sure they are all tempered and ready to go. Then we're gonna season them today with a little bit of our chef's rub-a-dub. That's really gonna allow that Wagyu beef to shine. We've got onion, garlic, smoked black pepper. Really does a good job just letting beef speak for itself. Our binder today, a little bit of that canola oil, helping that rub stick. Now, we're gonna track temperature today with our Big Green Egg thermometer. And if you know me, I always say, I think the #1 tool for barbecuing success is a good digital thermometer. So we're gonna use that to track our temps. Then we're gonna finish things up today. We're gonna hit it with a little B&B chunk. So we've got pecan there that we're absolutely gonna just give this a really nice hearty pecan finish. And then, as always, little touch of butter, a little bit of that salted creamery butter just to give it a smooth, even finish. So let's dive in, let's get prep done, and then we'll head out to the grill, get everything set. I've got 8-ounce Wagyu fillets today. I'm gonna add a little bit of oil. You know that oil always acts as a nice binder, and I'm gonna make sure I get everything well oiled. Not too much, right? Just enough so the rub will stick. Now, check this out. Here's what I'm gonna do. I'm really going all around, 360 degrees of rub fantasticness on this guy. As light or as heavy as you like, that's what we always say. And then we're gonna let it sit and just absorb a little bit of that rub while that Big Green Egg does its thing. Today's cook temp, you guys, we're gonna hover right at that 550 degree temperature. We're going hot and fast. All right, we are preheated to 550. We'll go ahead and set these guys on here. Like I said, we are going hot and fast today. So we're gonna put them right over that heat in the middle. I'm guessing we're gonna go about 8 minutes aside. Now, a couple things you can do. We can come back at that 4-minute mark, show you how to rotate these for that diamond, or you can leave them and let them go 8 minutes aside. We'll come back right at 4 minutes, give these guys a check and see where we're at. Go ahead and rotate these steaks now. If they start to get a little bit hot, move them to the side. Our goal again on these is to really get a good sear, nice little bit of crust. So we rotated them, give them that grill marks. We'll come back here another 4 minutes and give them a flip. All right, so we rotated 4 minutes and 4 minutes. We've got those diamonds. We flipped them on the other side. Now, the grill's getting a little bit hot. So what we're gonna do, pull those steaks to the side. We'll let them finish nice and hot, but we'll keep them off that heat so that they don't burn or they don't char too much. Now, our cooking temp, we're gonna take these guys up to about 115 degrees. We're close. We're super, super close. So we'll let them go probably another 6 to 8 minutes on this side till they're all finished. We'll pull them off, let them rest. All right, what I like to do too, let's give it a little handful of chips. The chips are gonna add just a beautiful burst of smoke. So we'll go ahead and cover it now, let those smother and do their smoke finish. All right, we're right at that about 115 degree mark. So we're gonna go ahead and pull these guys here out of the grill. We're gonna get them onto the resting tray. Let's head into the kitchen. I'm gonna show you what we do while we rest these to really get you that fantastic finish. All right, while the steaks are resting, here is a great time to put your butter on top. Let that butter just coat. I like to rub that around just a tiny bit too, but let that butter melt while the steaks are resting. That is gonna be fantastic. We'll let these guys go probably about 3 to 5 minutes. They're a little bit smaller, right? These are only 8-ounce fillets, so we'll let them go a little bit less time in the rest, and then we'll be back here and do that beautiful, amazing quality control. Okay, so total cook time was about 16 minutes. We went about 8 minutes aside, and then we supplemented that big, beautiful, bold charcoal flavor with some pecan chips. Like we always say, those chunks are gonna give you that long, even, sustained smoke. Chips are great for finishing. This smells absolutely amazing. Don't forget too, if you're new to the Ace Hardware YouTube channel, it is time to click subscribe, hit those post notifications so that you get notified when all of our videos go live. And then, like we always say, leave your questions and comments below because we love your input and we love your feedback. It really helps us create the content you need to become a legend in the backyard. Then coming up, we have this big green egg video. We have some amazing other big green egg videos for you as well. We cut into this to check the temperature and it came out that perfect medium. We pulled it at 115 degrees. We let it rest for about 3 minutes, let everything redistribute. We finished it with butter and then we showed you how we garnish it with just a little bit of rub-a-dub on the plate, kind of a fun little seasoning. And then, you know, some parsley for that beautiful accoutrement. I'm Chef Jason, your Ace Hardware grilling expert. Thanks so much for hanging out with us. We love cooking with you. We hope you enjoy cooking with us. It is time for the ever so amazing, always important quality control. Cheers.